Now, so let's start looking at the euro dollar, because that's the primary one we want to be looking at. As you recall from way back, we have our structure point, which is our major selling point. We have been trading this for God knows how long, which is the 143.57. During the last week, the euro traded above the 144.79 or the 144.80. It came back. It gave us an excellent sell signal. I hope Claire took it, and we have traded on Friday right through the 143.57, and now we are, we have closed the week at 142. Just want to see what those two lines are. So I don't know. I know the 142.16. I don't know what the other. So this is, I know the 142.16 is also one of our second structure point. We came close by to it, but we did not go through it. This is a very good sign for us to be shorting the euro. When I say a good sign for the short trade. So we are definitely looking at shorting the euro. It has closed the week at 142.58. Our selling point is 142.16, which is the structure point. So in this case, we are going to be shorting the, there's something, I'm having some, anybody has, what's the closing the price for the euro that you guys have? I have the intraday close at 142.03, and on the daily, you have in the daily, let's see. Okay, all right, okay. So we'll take with the intraday. We'll take with the intraday. So in essence now, we have, based on what you guys are saying, we closed the week at 142.03. Okay, family, thank you. 142.08, 142.03, or dear, and 142.08. Hi, dear, and welcome back. And the I hope you guys, and the 142.8. So again, this is a break below two structural points. So we are going to maintain, assuming that the close is, we're going to take our selling point. I have to leave it like this. As you can see in my, this is what we had a couple of weeks ago. We had a structural selling point below 142.16, and we have a short point below 142.16. So these are going to remain as our selling point. So I'm going to go short, and I'm just erring on the side of caution. So probably what you're going to have on Monday morning is probably going to, because again, since the market is thin, you might get a bounce up towards the 142.26 or something, because the market is thin and they want to bring people to buy in so that they can press the market to the downside. So again, you'll get a bounce to the upside most probably, and then as soon as it comes back below the 142.16, we're going to short it again. So we're going to leave our position on the radar screen as our short point is the 142.16, and the structure short as the 142.16. So guys, we have a couple of new guys here with us. So we are going to be short the euro as long as it is trading below 142.16. If it is trading below 142.16, you're not looking to be a buyer. You can stand on the sidelines, do nothing, but you do not buy it, you're looking at shorting it. Now, where would we say that the move has reversed and starting going higher? Really there is not any serious entry point other than the 143.57. That's the nearest structure point. It is also within last Friday's range, so there is no reason why we should actually waste our money by taking a low risk trade by buying the euro unless it trades above the 143.37. So our buying point is going to be the 143.37, and our selling point is going, so my long point is 143.37, my structure long is 143.37, so it's going to be a very strong buy point if it does trade above the 143.37. My short point is below, on a trade below 142.16. Our structural short point is the 142.16, and once we have a structural point and a long point that are the same, then our stop is also going to be the same price. So my long point, my structural long, and my stop on my long position is the 143.37. This means that I'm going to give it a little bit, maybe 10-15 pips below. I put my stop below by 10-15 pips, but I'm not going to allow it to trade much further below the 143.37. And the same thing with the short side. My short point is 142.16, my structure short is 142.16, and my stop on my short position is the 142.16. Okay? And that is the euro dollar.